So I broke my laptop. I wish I had a cool story on how this broke, but it literally fell off the roof of my car as I was driving. But that did not stop us. We're not gonna let that slow us down. And you guys know how important it is to have a trading setup, a trading laptop, and have a nice desk like this to trade from. So the same weekend, I immediately got one. Except this one's newer, faster. It's the M5 instead of the M2. This one's very old. I got this about 4 years ago, but we're gonna dive in to our trades real quick. This should be way quicker, way faster, 10 times better to trade with, and we're gonna put that to test tomorrow. But today was an interesting day. Let's dive right into that real quick, and this quick series today being the scalp maxing series. So here we are gonna get into today's trading session. As you guys can see, all my orders, it was literally a scalp maxing day, hence scalp maxing series. So we're gonna go quickly in and out, and I'm gonna quickly go over the trades I took, not all of them, but a few of them. And if you guys are new or struggling with trading, need help to understand what I'm about to dive into, click the link in the bio. There's a 7-day free course to learn my strategy and how I trade every single day and what strategy I use to trade every single day live. Now, the first trade that I took was a very quick in and out scalp. As you can see, my orders ultimately missed this very nice rejection, super textbook pattern type rejection at the resistance level zone. Now, the next thing is I did wait for it to pull all the way back again to take the second entry. Was a break-even trade, and then we decided to enter again, which put us for a loss. And then guys, we were struggling, going back and forth, in and out, taking trades like crazy until we ultimately ended with a nice, good day here. Now, the thing is I do want to be transparent, show you guys my orders. Crazy day. Look how many trades we took, but we did end the day profitable. Look at the daily performance and look how insane this was, guys. The drawdown was insane, but we managed to recover back green. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is a very unusual day, but scalp maxing series, so I'm not afraid to show you guys that we quickly went in and out of trades super fast, and that is just how we ended the day. So with all that being said, I just want to show you guys that, and we're going to continue on tomorrow, and stay tuned for the series, stay tuned for the live events. So very simply, that is the update for why I have been gone for the past few days. Broken laptop, tried to edit on my phone, but got a new one, was out of town. Here we are back trading. There's the update for the trades. There's the update for where we're at, what we're doing. And guys, stay tuned for the series. Catch you guys on the next one. Catch you guys in Discord.